Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add multiple stops in Google Maps on your phone. Perfect for road trips, deliveries or just planning your day. First of all, make sure your device is connecting to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. After connecting your device to the internet, simply open Google Map application. After opening your Google Map application, in the search bar, enter your first destination and tap direction. As you can see here, search here button. Suppose I want to go here, simply click on it. After clicking here, simply tap directions. After clicking on direction, it will show the route how to go, and at the drop down menu you will see the option called add stop. Simply click on it. After clicking here, a new line will appear. Now enter your second destination. Suppose I want to go here. To add more location, just tap add stop again and enter your next stop. Again I want to add another stop. Once all your destinations are added and arranged, tap down. Finally hit start and begin your route. And that's how easy it to add multiple stops in Google Maps. Super useful and only takes a minute. If you found this helpful, leave a like and check back for more smart navigation tips, and see you in the next one.